guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be trying out a makeup challenge that I've seen a lot here on YouTube, and I thought, why not try it out for myself today? So I'm going to be doing my full face of makeup like usual, but the twist in this video is I'm going to be doing it all under LED lights. So basically, if you don't know what this challenge is, the lights change what shades you see in your makeup. So if you have the blue light on, you see everything as shades of blue, red light on, everything as shades of red, everything like that. I'm also going to be using the Aviation Lavinia palette today. I was going to use my Morphe 35B palette, but that one is arranged in a straight rainbow, so I would know where every shade is. So the ring light is going to be turned off, the lights are going to be turned off, and the LEDs are going to come on. So if you want to see me attempt, and I say attempt because I don't know how this challenge is going to go, if you want to see me try to do my makeup under these LED lights and reveal the final look that I created at the end, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the LEDs are currently on, but my lights are on. So I have all my makeup in front of me. I'm actually going to show you guys, and I'm going to show you guys kind of how I set it up so that I don't exactly know what color it is. I have my little table here, and what I did, so for blush, I have 4 Milani blushes, and I'm not going to look at the shade names obviously, but there are 4 different shades there, so I don't really know which one is which. And then I have a contour palette and a highlight palette. And then for my lipsticks, I have all these Wet n Wild ones and some fun colors too that I'm not going to be able to see. And then for the actual lipsticks, I set up some of these Maybelline ones and I put them down so I can't see the shade, and I already opened them, so it'll just be based on what the color of the lipstick is. So yeah, that's kind of what we're working with right now. And I'm going to go turn off the lights. Alright, lights are off, and we're going to go with this is the green, blue, red. So these are the main colors I'm going to work with today. It might just be a little bit hard for you guys to see. I'm going to start with the green light. And I'm going to use this light to do my face makeup. I'm going to start off by doing some spot concealing. This is just the L'Oreal Infallible. I just have a mirror here beside me. And I'm just gonna spot conceal with this. Gonna take a bit under the eyes too. And on the lid, I'm just gonna take a little brush and blend that concealer out. I think this is like one of the first makeup challenges I'm actually doing here on my channel. If you have lights at home too, or something similar to this setup, then you can go ahead and give this whole LED makeup thing a try along with me. And let's go in with foundation. I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever one. This is in the shade Y225. I couldn't really do a different shade thing with foundation because all my foundations match me, but I'm just gonna swipe this on and blend it out. My dog is sitting here wanting to sit up here with me. I can't have you up here, I'm sitting on a stool. So I think I got everything. Next, I'm going to do some liquid contouring. Now, this may be a big mistake, but I thought let's just amp it up instead of doing just regular contouring, because I definitely think doing a liquid with like bad lighting and in green light is going to be a little more difficult. I'm just going to dab a little bit of this Cover FX custom enhancer drops in the shade Sunkiss. We haven't applied too much. Okay. I'm just going off what looks like darker shades of green and lighter shades of green. I feel like I'm doing my makeup as the Grinch right now, though. I will admit that. I'm like kind of like punching my face because I really want it to be blended. So now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder. So I'm just going to go under my eyes. And then with the excess, set the rest of the skin. I say excess as I'm like picking up more and putting it on my face. Boom. Base makeup is all done. I feel like we're doing pretty good so far, but who knows? And that was the easy part. So let's get into the rest of the face makeup. Alright, so we're gonna do some contouring real quick. Gonna dip it into this middle shade and just contour the face and kind of set that cream contour down. So actually I'm going to change the light to red. It'll be hard for you guys to see this one, but I really think it's going to kind of be a little darker and harder for me to see my shades. Alright, so let's go into blush. I'm going to take a little brush here, and then I have my blushes and they all look the same. I'm gonna go with this one. I feel like it's like a peachy pink. Oh, that got really more red. More shades of red on my face now. Now for highlight, I'm gonna take this shade right here. And then I'm gonna take a bit of this really light one up here, or what looks to be light. I don't know. I feel like it's a white. Maybe not. Oh, and this was the Unicorn Glow palette from Face Candy. I just picked a palette that I didn't really know as well with a bunch of highlighters, so we can kind of do this challenge. Obviously, I'm going to be using this Lavinia palette. And for the palette, I'm going to switch to blue. This will be interesting because all the shades look the same. I'm going to mix these two shades right here just because they look a little bit lighter. I don't know. And I'm gonna start in the crease. And I'm really gonna try to blend today because, yeah, and I can't really do one eye and then do the other eye how I usually do it because I can't see any of the shades. So we're gonna do both eyes together. Can you guys even see that? I just put a crease shade down. Well, what I think is a crease shade. So I'm mixing D1 and E2. I can barely even see the shade names. Uh-oh. We might have went in with a little bit too much. Okay, now I really gotta blend. Now I'm going to take this shade up here. I think this is a purple. Why does everything look so blended when I know it is for sure not? See, everything looks like the same shade on my eye right now. What is going on? I'm gonna take this shade right here, D3, and I'm just gonna kind of put this on the outer corner as well a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease because if we're going all out, we're going all out. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow in the shade Camelback, and I'm gonna quickly cut the crease. I'm going to just set that down, and this looks like a white to me because it's really light, so I'm gonna use that to set that down. Kind of like how this is looking. It looks like a purple, so I'm gonna pick that up. And I'm just gonna try to place that right where I did the cut crease. Hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of my finger with that shade just to intensify it a bit. Okay, I'm gonna dip into A1 because it looks a little lighter. I'm gonna place this right on top. So really what I'm trying to do is just use shade. I don't know what colors I put on my eye, but I'm just trying to get these shades to actually look like they're there. So, I don't know how well you guys can see. Okay, let's change this to red. Literally looks like I have no eyeshadow on. So I'm guessing I did like a pink look on my eye, but we're gonna go back in here and what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna dip into this light shade right here and go on the bottom lash, and oh my god, I can't see anything in the red. It looks like I put nothing. You guys see that? Nothing. What is going on? This is gonna be bad. Okay, I'm gonna dip. I know I used like this shade before, I think. Was it that shade? Oh, everything looks so different. Those look brown though. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade. That looks like a brown. Oh, that's dark. Just gonna apply some mascara real quick. This is just my Superstar from L'Oreal, and I'm just applying a light coat on my top and bottom lashes. I think this is actually gonna be the easiest step. So I'm just taking the lash here and might have to fix those lashes up because I don't think they're perfectly applied. Let's quickly highlight the inner corner. I'm gonna take that same light shade I used on the face. Now time for lips. I literally can't see anything. Like, this is kind of dangerous. Let's go with this one right here. Whatever this shade is, I'm thinking if it's a nude, maybe it will complement this look because I don't know what I done on the eyes, so I'm trying to pick out a nude. And now the lipstick. So here is what I'm working with. They all look the exact same. This one looks like the lightest nude, so I'm gonna take that, try to use it as a highlight shade in the middle, hopefully. It looks like it lightened it up a little bit. That is the finished look, so I'm gonna go turn on the lights and we're gonna see what the heck is going on. And turn on the ring light. Oh. Well, that is not a nude lip, everybody. I had a nude underneath though. Oh my gosh, this is what is going on here. The lashes look a little bit funky, don't they? Oh, that is not good. I remember I used these two in my crease. And then I used this shade, one of these two on the outer corner, which I did a bit. And then I know I used that one. I used some of that. And then on the lower lash line, I know I used this. So that didn't do me so well. And then for the lid shade, what I thought was a silver or like a purpley silver was actually this brown shade, so that just looks terrible. I mean, the eyes kind of coordinate with the lips a little bit, not really. Not very blended out. As I said, when I turned on that red light, it just really screwed me over because I couldn't see anything on the eyes. It looked like I was applying literally nothing. Okay, let's talk about what happened on the lips. So I used this shade right here. I like put aside the shades I used, and you can kind of see it there. I thought it was gonna be like a nude. It was like a nude, like a pinky nude. And then what I thought was a lighter nude to lighten up the lip look was this shade from Maybelline, Craving Coral. I mean, if it was like all red, sure, but the nude underneath doesn't make it look that good. All right, let's look at the highlight palette. And I used the green highlighter with a pink makeup look. That just screams Merry Christmas, everybody. So the highlighter is definitely green on my face. Good thing it's like a subtle highlight, but still doesn't look the best with this makeup look. The foundation actually looks all right. The bronzer is a little bit patchy, but not terrible. I think this challenge was a lot of fun to kind of see what I create. Not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting like a warm crease with like a purple in the outer corner and like a purple shimmer on the lid, and then a nude or maybe a pinky lip because I didn't know what was happening. But I wasn't expecting a bright coral lip and bright red eyes. But that's kind of what happened. This was a very fun challenge. If you want to see more makeup challenges, let me know which ones I should do next down below because I had a lot of fun doing this video today. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye.